Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Afternoon, YouTube. Here with you on this Friday afternoon, I believe it is. Yeah, it's Friday. I'm looking at this FM transmitter stereo transmitter that I built some time ago. And I had remembered I have never ever done the power leads for it. So I thought I'd better put that. And I have my soldering iron heating up. And I thought after that was done, I might give this kit a little go. And solder some components on that. Now everything won't be soldered on that because I'm going to make some changes to obviously the heat sink's got to be changed, and so that piece won't be, that regulator chip won't be soldered on. And I will go ahead and solder on the resistor, the variable resistor, but I am probably going to change that later on. And because if I put it in a case like I want, then I'm going to have to have a different resistor for it. So I have one in mind on eBay. I just haven't ordered it yet. Lack of funds, if you know what I mean. So I get paid next Wednesday, and that's probably when I'll order it. So I have to look for some sandpaper too. The roll that I had in mind for the Buick, it was a 320 grit roll of 25 yards with the pressure sensitive adhesive on it. For $21 shipped, has been sold, and I thought maybe a guy had a few of them, but he didn't. He just had one. So the next best option is a $23.99 or $23.77 shipped. So I think I'll probably go with that. So anywho, that's where we're at, and we'll bring you back when I got something done. Alright, first test we're going to make here on this after these leads are soldered. I had the 3-volt battery connection hooked up to it, and we're just going to test and make sure we get the power on, and we do. So next thing we're going to do is hook up some audio to it, and we're going to use the little Kobe for our reception on this, just to try it out. And of course we use the phone for the audio source. If I can find the cable, there it is. Now keep in mind I have this hooked up to the, I have it tuned midway on the variable capacitor and midway on the volume control, okay, or whatever that is. I'm just saying volume control because I really don't know what it is. It's a level adjustment, I'm assuming, for the audio signal. That's what I'm assuming. So let's turn on our Kobe and FM. It might be nice to turn it on. Okay, it's on now. Let's tune some rounds a little bit. I may be better off trying to tune to a, what do you call it, and then tune the capacitor to that. Okay, I'm going to go right there and try to tune it in using the tuner on here. It's a little bit difficult. I'm going to use these to help a little bit. Nothing there yet. Not getting anything at all there, so I'm kind of guessing this thing's not working. Gotta make sure it's playing here. And it is.
And who they are.
Alright, well, let's turn this up a little bit, see if that does anything. Okay, that's wide open now.
.3 WCCB.
Brand new.
Bridges is closed. They have a fatted calf and who reached out for him.
Alright, well, I think what we have discovered is it doesn't work. I think that's the simple way of looking at it, is, you know, to me. I've got, you know, audio going in. It is obviously on. I've got it in the middle of the band. I've got this turned up. I had it turned up all the way. At one point, it still didn't matter. And I turned it both ways, as a matter of fact. It didn't matter. So I put it in the middle. And I'm not getting anything. Yep, that's not it. That's what I thought. So, turn that off. And turn this off. And that's about it for that. I don't know. This problem with this could be a number of things. Could be the soldering job. You know, maybe I didn't get some of them soldered as good as I thought that I did. Could be that. I don't know. It's. I should have known better to buy these crappy, cheap Chinese things, but you know, it was something to do. So now it's been tested. I hope everybody's happy.